Hello, Paul here with me, I'm the Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. Excuse me. Now, today, this is the 986 I was working on previously. I'm going to change the tensioner. I'm doing the chain tensioner. In order to do the chain tensioner for cylinder 4 to 6, this is 4 to 6. And then you got 3 tensioner on your 986 Boxster. You got one on top here, which sits underneath the AC compressor. You got to remove the AC compressor out and that bracket there to get to this tensioner here. You got one on top here. This is the tensioner for cylinder 4 to 6, and you got a tensioner underneath here. Cylinder 1 to 3, and you got your crankcase tensioner here. All right, and they are all different, and there's a way you can tell the difference between all these tensioners. So if you come here, have a look at this one here. The top one, it's got no groove. There's no groove whatsoever. Just looks like a bolt. All right. If you look at the actual crankcase, the crankcase tensioner has got one groove. See, one groove around it. One groove here. That's the crankcase tensioner. And then cylinder 1 to 3, bank 1, chain tensioner has got 2 grooves. If you look closely, see there's 2 grooves around it. Really hard to see. See that? It's 2 grooves. I'll show you on the brand new one what I mean. Alright, this is the part number. So this is the actual bank 2 chain tensioner. There's the part number there. Right here. So if you look at that, that's the old one and that's the brand new one. There's no groove on them, nothing, just a plain bolt. Alright? If you look at the actual, this one here, you only got one groove there. Just one groove, see? One groove. So if you see the one groove, that means that's for your crankcase, which I call it a sideway tensioner. This is a side mount tensioner or crankcase. You've got one groove there. So in the other one is obviously this one here, and you got 2 grooves. I'll put a bit of red there so you can see it properly. There's one groove, 1, 2, so 2 grooves. So bank 1, it's got the actual 2 grooves. Cylinder 1 to 3, cylinder 4 to 6. Bank 2 is that one there, and the crankcase it's only got 1 groove. Alright, do not mix them up. The crankcase is the easiest one you can tell because it's got a spring on it. See the spring there? You see the spring there? That's the crankcase, very easy to tell. And the one with no marking on, no grooves on it, is your 4 to 6. I call that one the top tensioner. This one here, the bottom tensioner, 2 grooves, and then the side tensioner with crankcase, 1 groove. Alright? So I'm going to install all that now. You got to do it because I had 2 cars that come in and the chain tensioner started to fail. One was okay and the other one jumped and then damaged the valve on cylinder bank number 1. Okay, so that's a must because the car 1997 to 2004 was the actual Boxster 986 was built. So they're getting it to get into a time now that you got to change the tensioners on your car just in case something happened. And my Cayenne, the tensioner went on my Cayenne, and then I wish I changed my tensioner. But it's too late. I've got to fix my car when December when the holidays come. But from now on, I'm going to recommend every single 986 customers to get their tensioner done. There's no point waiting for something to go wrong. All right. You don't know when they start to fail. You can hear it start very noisy. But anyway, just want to share the actual little knowledge of distinguishing which tensioner is which for your 986. I mean, they share the same with the 996 as well. So, all right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.